This is a little humorous example, very interesting example though. In small towns, we have spaces called as vataras or agrahara. That means about 10-15 houses are connected together in one area. They share the common wall, they live together, and there is a tap in the center for water for everybody. They live like one family. There were 10-15 houses in that area. One house was empty in the center. All others were curious, who will come to that house now? Because they live like family, everybody knew everybody there. So they were saying, who will come to this house? And one day, the owner of the building came and started painting it and keeping it ready. People asked him, anybody coming? He said, yes. A newly married couple is coming into the house. Oh, the boy's parents are also coming? He said, no, only husband and wife, newly married people. They are coming into the town for the first time. This house is booked for them. Others were very happy that a young couple is coming here. And the senior husband and wife in different houses, they said, okay, they are like us. They will also fight like us now. We'll see how beautifully they fight now. The husband and wife came, nice couple, always smiling, always cheerful. People in the neighboring houses kept their ears open, close to the wall of the house, hoping to hear some fireworks happening inside. Husband and wife should fight together. 1 week passed, no fighting. You could only hear sounds of the husband and wife laughing. They said, my God, 1 week after marriage, still they are not fighting. Somebody said, maybe too much of love. Maybe after 1 month they will fight. They were still curious. 1 month passed, still they were hearing the sounds of laughter of the husband and the wife alternately, sometimes together. How happy they are. They are laughing all the time. And what kind of husband and wife? They are not fighting at all. They waited for some more time. 1 year passed. Not a single day they fought. They were always laughing and happy. People said it's a crazy couple. 1 year after marriage and still not fighting? What kind of marriage is that? 5 years passed. 7 years passed. Not a single day fight. You could only hear the laughter from the house. And all the people said, these are the greatest couple, finest couple. We were fighting, but this couple never fought. We should give them award. They decided to give them ideal couple award. They called 100 people and called the magistrate of the local town court to come as the chief guest. A young lawyer, they had become the justice of the court. He came there and he gave the award as the ideal couple for these two. They were still smiling at that time. People could not believe. Judge also said, I can't believe 7 years into marriage and you don't fight. You are the greatest couple I have seen. He spoke so beautifully about them and the function got over. The time passed, another 10 years passed, 15 years passed. This judge in the local court had become a high court judge. A case came before him. During lunchtime, he looked at the case. What is the case next? He was shocked. There is a divorce application. Divorce application from that couple whom he had given the best couple award, ideal couple award. Something wrong. 15 years after the incident of giving the award, but still they are fighting. I can't believe it. He called the husband into in the chamber and asked him, gentlemen, you are the same person to whom I have given the award? He said, yes, sir. We received the award as the ideal couple. Just said, I can't believe. You are so wonderful and loving and caring. And all the people in the Vatara told me that you never fought. You are always laughing and happy. What happened? Why do you want to apply divorce? Remain like that. You have become a role model for other people. He is now an old man now, couple, the husband. He said, sir, I have a limit to my tolerance also, sir. Why? She fights with you? No, sir, the simple matter is this. The day we got married, we decided to do one thing. We will not argue and we will not fight. If my wife is angry with me, she will pick up any material around her and throw at me. She will just throw at me. If it hits me, she would laugh. When the material comes to me, I duck, I turn, I move away from there. And if I miss, I laugh. Simple agreement we had, sir. Whenever she threw things at me, if it hit me, she is successful, she would laugh. If I duck it, I am successful, I laugh. The laughter they were hearing outside was because of this, sir. But now, sir, over a period of 20, 25 years now, by throwing things every day so many times, her throw has become very accurate, sir. But my knees are giving trouble, sir. I am not so quick now. She doesn't miss now. How long should I take it, sir? How long should I take it? I have injuries all over my body, sir. She throws everything and I can't duck fast. Therefore, I am in miserable condition. Kindly sanction me divorce, sir. Then judge thought for a moment. All the people in the avatar were thinking they are ideal couple. They are not fighting. They are smiling all over. But actually big fight was going inside. This is the facade. This is the make face that we have. Artificial face we have. The facade we have. How many facades we have for our faces? We say Ravana had 10 faces. We have 100. Am I right? We change our face depending on the situation, depending on the people. I change my face. Which is my real face? Those two acted as an ideal couple. They were not ideal. They were fighting all through, but they were wearing a mask of ideal couple. Please remember, mask can never be yourself. Your true self will save you in life. Mask will never save you. Only when the mask is taken off, your real personality comes up. Therefore, showing to people that I am ideal is no way of becoming ideal. Try to refine ourselves from within. Probably, after some time, you become some kind of a role model for people around you. But certainly, by not wearing mask and pretending to be good. Therefore, masks are not useful. Remove the mask and your identity will come out.